From the ED's action against Karnataka CM in the Muda case to the Supreme Court proceedings on the Archie case, and a look at the career of actor Mithun Chakraborty, who is set to be honoured with the Dadasaheb Phalke award. Let's get you all the big stories of the day in this news wrap. Hi, I'm Flora Swine and you're watching the Indian Express. Let's get started. Problems for Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah continue to mount as the Enforcement Directorate on Monday registered a case against him and others in connection with a money laundering investigation. Acting on a recent FIR by the Karnataka Lokayukta, the central agency has filed an Enforcement Case Information Report, that is the ECIR, to formally charge the Karnataka CM and other individuals involved. Here's the full details on this news. The Enforcement Directorate has filed a money laundering case against Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and several others in connection with the Mysuru Urban Development Authority, that is the Muda. The federal agency's action follows a recent FIR lodged by the state Lokayukta, according to official sources. Siddaramaiah, his wife BM Parvati, brother-in-law Mallikarjun Swamy and Devaraju, who sold land to Swamy and subsequently gifted it to Parvati, are named in the FIR registered by the Lokayukta police on the 27th of September. This development comes after a special court in Bengaluru ordered a Lokayukta investigation into Siddaramaiah's alleged involvement in illegal land allotments. The court's decision followed a ruling by the High Court which upheld a sanction granted by Governor Thawarchand Gehlot for the investigation into Siddaramaiah regarding the allocation of 14 plots to his wife. The ED has invoked provisions of the PMLA to formalize the charges against the CM. This allows the agency to summon the accused for questioning and potentially seize assets during the investigation. 76-year-old Siddaramaiah has claimed that he is being targeted politically, asserting that the opposition is scared of him. He emphasized that this is the first political case filed against him and reiterated that he would not resign, maintaining that he has done nothing wrong and plans to fight the charges legally. The allegations include claims that compensatory plots were allotted to Siddaramaiah's wife in a high-value area of Mysuru, which were reportedly more valuable than the land that was acquired by Muda. The Lokayukta FIR cites multiple sections of the Indian Penal Code, including criminal conspiracy, public servant misconduct, dishonest misappropriation of property. Moving on to the latest update in the Archie case, on Monday, the Supreme Court once again expressed concern over the victim's identity being revealed on social media platforms. Additionally, the Apex Court criticized the West Bengal government for the slow progress in installing CCTV cameras and building separate restrooms for doctors. Let's take a look at our report on today's proceedings. The Supreme Court on Monday questioned West Bengal's slow progress in improving safety measures for doctors in government hospitals across the state. A bench led by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud along with Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Misra pointed out that over 50% of the required work as per the court's earlier orders remain incomplete. The court asked the state about the steps taken to install CCTV cameras, build toilets, create male and female duty rooms and implement biometrics. Senior advocate Rakesh Dwivedi, representing West Bengal, explained that logistical delays due to floods had slowed the work, with only 22% of the planned 6,178 installations completed. The Apex Court expressed concern over the slow progress, noting that no areas had exceeded 50% completion. Dwivedi assured the court that most of the work would be finished by the 15th of October. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court on Monday reiterated its earlier order that no intermediary is allowed to publish the name and photo of the victim in the Archie Hospital rape and murder case. As the hearing commenced, Advocate Vrinda Grover told the bench that the parents of the deceased victim are disconcerted by repeated clips in social media disclosing her name and photos. Furthermore, the Supreme Court directed Tushar Mehta to submit the report on progress of National Task Force, posting the hearing in the Kolkata rape murder case to the 14th of October. The case originated from the rape and murder of a 31-year-old resident doctor at Kolkata's RG Kaur Medical College and Hospital. The incident, which took place on the 9th of August, led to national protests by medical professionals demanding better security and stricter laws. The case is now being investigated by the CBI after the Calcutta High Court transferred the probe. The Supreme Court then took up the case on its own, that is suo motu, and issued several directives, including the formation of a national task force to address safety and gender-based violence issues faced by doctors and medical staff. Ahead of the Haryana Assembly polls on the 5th of October, Congress received a boost as Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, and party leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra launched their Vijay Sankalp Yatra on Monday. During the rally, they criticized the BJP government over the Agniveer scheme, farmers' issues, and alleged favoritism towards industrialist Gautam Adani. Let's listen in.
और मेरा लक्ष्य जितना पैसा मैं बता रहा हूं आपको याद रखो, जितना पैसा इन्होंने अदानी अंबानी को दिया है उतना पैसा मैं हिंदुस्तान के किसान, मजदूर, गरीब, दलित उनके जेब में डालने वाला हूं। एक ना एक तरीका निकाल कर एमएसपी दिलवाकर, कर्जा माफ कर मैं बता रहा हूं, जितना नरेंद्र मोदी ने इनको दिया ना, आप देख लेना, उतना पैसा हम कांग्रेस पार्टी में गरीबों को देने वाले हैं। सिंपल सी बात है, आपके जेब में से कितना निकल रहा है और जेब में कितना जा रहा है।
Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Finance Minister Nirmala Siddaramaiah on Monday criticized Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge for his comment on Prime Minister Narendra Modi during a rally in Kathua. On Sunday, Kharge had remarked, and I quote, "I won't die until Prime Minister Narendra Modi is removed from power." Let's check our report for full details on this issue.
इतना जल्दी मरने वाला नहीं हूं, जब तक मोदी को नहीं हटाएंगे तब तक मैं जिंदा ही रहूंगा, आपकी बात सुनूंगा, आपके लिए लड़ूंगा।
A day after Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge said he would stay alive until Prime Minister Narendra Modi is removed from office, Union Ministers Amit Shah and Nirmala Siddaramaiah on Monday accused Kharge of displaying his hatred towards Modi. Kharge made the remarks while addressing a rally in Kathua district on Sunday, the last day of campaigning for the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said, quote, "In a bitter display of spite, he unnecessarily dragged PM Modi into his personal health matters by saying that he would die only after removing PM Modi from power. It just shows how much hate and fear these Congress people have of PM Modi, that they are thinking of him constantly." End quote. Finance Minister Nirmala Siddaramaiah endorsed what Shah said. She wrote, quote, "Aptly said Amit Shah ji. The leadership of INC India never loses any opportunity to display their hate towards Narendra Modi ji."
Now, news from Bollywood. Actor turned politician Mithun Chakraborty has been named recipient of the prestigious Dadasaheb Phalke Award, the highest honor awarded by the government for contributions to cinema. Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated Mithun on this remarkable achievement. Let's take a look at the remarkable journey of the actor. It was the late 1960s. The Naxal movement in Bengal influenced many youngsters. Young Gauranga Chakraborty was one of them. Half a century later, that man will receive the country's highest award in the field of cinema. Mithun Chakraborty's amazing journey deserves a biopic for sure. Mithun was born in a middle-class family in Kolkata in 1954. In the turbulent 1960s, the youth of Bengal were disillusioned with the government. The radical Naxalite movement, which originated as a peasant revolt in Naxalbari in North Bengal, inspired them. It was led by left leader Charu Mazumdar. Mithun, however, quit the movement after there was tragedy in the family and moved to Pune to pursue a course in cinema from FTII. He made his Hindi film debut in renowned filmmaker Mrinal Sen's Mrigaya, where his portrayal of a prosecuted tribal man won him his first national award. The 1980s was a crucial decade for Hindi cinema. It marked the decline of the Bachchan era and the rise of the South remakes. Between all this, Chakraborty, who was hereby known mostly for his B-movies like Suraksha and Gunmaster G9, struck gold with B. Subhash's 1982 dance film Disco Dancer. The Bappi Lahiri musical was a massive hit in Russia and China too. In fact, Mithun is still the most recognized Bollywood star in Russia. Since then, he has won a clutch of national awards and has been associated with parallel Bangla cinema as well as mainstream Bollywood films. While Mithun spent most of his early career trying to brush off the Naxal tag, he was reportedly close to veteran left leader Jyoti Basu. In 2014, Mithun became a Rajya Sabha MP for Trinamool Congress. In 2016, he resigned from this post. In 2021, right before the Bengal Assembly elections, he joined the BJP. In fact, he was a star attraction at Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Brigade Parade Ground rally in Kolkata then. The decision to award him the Dadasaheb Phalke Award was announced by INB Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw. He wrote, and I quote, "Mithunda's remarkable cinematic journey inspires generations." Honoured to announce that the Dadasaheb Phalke selection jury has decided to award legendary actor Shri Mithun Chakraborty ji for his iconic contribution to Indian cinema.